What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be breaking down the 3 different ways you can make so much more profit while you're making your videos for Amazon Influencer. What's going on, everybody? Here at Amazing Amazon we are showing you the tips, techniques, and strategies that you can use to make your Amazon storefront shine. So today, this one is by popular request. Now, this inspiration, I cannot take the idea as my own. This came from being in our Facebook community where we show people how to get approved and also get more engaging tips and tricks than what you're seeing right now. And if you do want to learn more about that, check in the description box right down below, where you can join that. And myself, my business partner, we're administrators there, and we are honestly there in this free Facebook group to help you move forward. How can we get more videos out of any one product that we have? And I wanted to go through a couple different ways that you can do, actually 3 different ways that you can start getting some ideas. So let's just say we find a product, whatever that product may be. In theory, let's just say it's this remote that I have here on my desk. So the first video that you can make is start talking about your frustrations. Start leading into how this relieved the pain. And I don't see enough people talking about this. Like, people talk about how much they love things. What led you to get to this product? Like, really stretch that pain out a little bit. It's great to talk about the problem that it's solved, but talk about the problem. Wow, I noticed that the range was so short. I noticed that the batteries would go really fast. I noticed that whenever I use this remote for these lights, that maybe they weren't bright enough. Talk about that a little bit, because people tend to find more relatability, and I've tested this with my videos, and when they find a relatability to maybe, oh wow, this product does resolve that, or this product does solve that, they're more likely to buy. The second type of video. Now, this video requires a little more cooperation, I guess, with your environment, but show the product being used. Show it in your environment. I've just seen videos where people will just have a static product. They move it around a little bit. No, if you want to make an influence, you want to make an impact, show people how the product works. Don't be afraid. Now, I do want to say, when you're showing a product, make sure for any Amazon review video, or even especially if this is your Amazon review video that is for on-site submission, aka the 3 videos you have to upload, I would strongly suggest, if you're going to do a video like this, make sure there are no identifying marks in that video, make sure there's no IDs, make sure there's no price tag, make sure you don't have any call to actions that make it seem as though you're doing a social media video, because this is not for social media, it's for Amazon Influencer. We're not asking for likes or follows or anything like that. They don't even need to know your name. But make sure you take that into consideration when you're doing videos like that, when you're showing it in an environment, you're showing how it uses. But those are great ways for people to picture it in their surroundings, and that's the key there. It lets people see what it's going to look like, and when they start seeing that, guess what happens? More likely to purchase. Now, this last tip is going to maybe myth some people. Now, I'm just such a big believer of, we make Amazon review videos to let people know what are great products. We have the option of showing our face. All the videos that I have done that I've been doing regular commissions on have had my face in it. People can connect with a person that they can see. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that this is a hard or fast rule, but what I have found, and others might see it otherwise, others might notice some things, but when people have seen my face versus me just seeing my hand, or just seeing a product there, or just seeing kind of the display, I always make sure I start with my face. But the videos that have my face in it, where I'm talking to the people as if we're having a conversation, they tend to do really well. So I can't help but notice the fact that it's important to show your face, but you don't have to. I think a lot of this is preference. I think a lot of this bases on product. And quite honestly, it's going to be based on your comfortability. But I can honestly say that has made an impact with some things. And also for those of you all who are saying, okay, well, Vernon, I like this. Well, how do I do that if I'm going to be showing a display or going to be showing a product unboxing? Start off with your face. I literally would start a video and say, hey, I recommend this blank, 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 and this is why. And then I get right into the video. It's a 3-second intro, but it does make a difference. Take these tips, go out there, try some, expand on them, go out there and learn more. But just know that every time you're pressing record, that you are pushing yourself closer and closer to a commission. With these 3 tips, it's going to take no time at all for you to start building up your storefront up and increasing the amount of money that you're going to make. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and give a like. Don't be afraid. They don't cost anything, but it lets me know on what videos I need to make more of and what type of videos that are really connecting with you all. Thank you all for watching, and if you like videos like this, check these out.